The sun, we see almost every day. But have you ever thought how it had formed? Like other stars, it formed from the gravitational collapse of a giant cloud of gas and dust, known as a molecular cloud, about 4.6 billion years ago. This process is a part of stellar evolution. 1. Initial molecular cloud composition. The cloud consisted mainly of hydrogen, about 74%, and helium, about 24%, with trace amounts of heavier elements formed in earlier generations of stars. Trigger: a disturbance, such as a nearby supernova explosion or collision with another molecular cloud, compressed the cloud, creating regions of higher density. Second, gravitational collapse formation of a protostar. Gravity pulled the gas and dust inward, forming a dense, rotating core called a protostar. As the core contracted, its temperature and pressure increased. The surrounding material flattened into a protoplanetary disk, which eventually formed the planets and other objects in the solar system. 3. Nuclear fusion ignition. When the temperature in the protostar's core reached about 10 million Kelvin, nuclear fusion began. Fusion process. Hydrogen nuclei, protons, fused to form helium, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. The onset of nuclear fusion marked the transition from a protostar to a main sequence star. 4th, stabilization. The outward pressure from nuclear fusion balanced the inward pull of gravity, creating a stable star. This state of equilibrium allowed the sun to shine steadily and maintain its spherical shape. 5. Formation of the solar system. The remaining gas and dust in the protoplanetary disk coalesced into planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. The sun retained 99.8% of the solar system's mass, while the rest formed the smaller celestial bodies. So what is current stage of the sun? Well, the sun is currently a main sequence star, where it has been for about 4.6 billion years. It will remain in this stable phase for another 5 billion years, steadily fusing hydrogen into helium in its core. Then what will be future of the sun?